Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Fun and easy Thanksgiving craft ideas for kids. It's time to be thankful. Thanksgiving is a holiday of celebrating and giving thanks for the blessings of the preceding year, and it is gaining popularity everywhere. As you prepare for this year's Thanksgiving festivity, you must be wondering how you can educate your kids about this festival and involve them in the celebration. Here is the perfect list of crafts that will keep your kids busy and double as beautiful Thanksgiving party decorations. Thanksgiving crafts for toddlers, 1 to 3 years. Painted corn husk headband. The best way to use corn husk is by making a Thanksgiving craft with it. This is a great Thanksgiving craft for toddlers of the age of 2 or above. Materials required: dried corn husks, paint, glue, headband. Procedure: Step 1. Stick the corn husks together in the shape of a semicircle. Step 2. Once the glue has dried, let your toddler explore her artistic side by painting the corn husks in different colors. Step 3. When the paint dries, stick the corn husks on a hairband and let your toddler wear her beautiful creation. Thanksgiving crafts for preschoolers, 3 to 4 years. Thanksgiving pasta necklace. Your kids will love making and wearing these festive necklaces, so get ready to find pasta all over your house. Materials required: dyed pieces of macaroni or penne pasta, a long piece of thread or yarn. Procedure: Step 1. Give the piece of thread and the pasta to your little one. Step 2. Knot one end of the thread and show her how to pass the pasta pieces through the thread. Step 3. She can use different colors to create a unique pattern, and once she is done, knot the other end of the thread and tie it around her neck. Thanksgiving crafts for children, 4 to 8 years. Toilet paper roll turkey showpiece. On occasions, it becomes imperative to decorate the house with colorful showpieces and crafts. If you are looking to create crafts with your kids, then it is one such idea. Material required: toilet paper roll, brown paint, glue, small googly eyes, black marker, cardstock, yellow, orange and red. Procedure: Step 1. Take toilet paper unpainted brown with brown paint. Step 2. Take red, yellow, and orange colored cardstock, draw feather shapes, and cut out the shapes. Step 3. Ask your kid to write things they are grateful for on the feather cutouts using a black marker. Step 4. Paste the googly eyes on the toilet roll using glue. Step 5. Cut out a tiny triangular beak and feet on orange cardstock. Paste the beak and feet on the roll. Step 6. Next, paste the feathers on the back of the toilet paper roll. These fun art and craft activities are sure to keep you and your kids busy this Thanksgiving season. Let us know which ones you tried to make with your kids, and have a happy Thanksgiving.